Let me show you guys how I make about $38 on this particular SRP. I make $38 on this trade alone. I make $38 on this trade. So let me show you how the strategy works. I'm going to give you guys the strategy work on UTrading. So now what you need to do is just make sure to connect your accounts and try to get your UGAS. Is very, very important so that the bot can allow you to trade on the market. So now let me show you. The strategy is very, very simple and easy. So once you have already login, come to your market. Okay, come to market area. So let's say I want to trade. So I want to trade this one, this particular Solana right now. I'll just click on it. I'll click on Solana. So Solana, this is the market. This is the market of Solana. But let me just go to bots. Sorry, let me go to bots for me to show you exactly strategy right now. Let me go to all right, this is the manual. I've already on the, when you come to both, then you come to trade. You can be automated, you can be make sure your account is on manual. So now I want to use this particular bots for my trading strategy. I'll click on it. I'll select only one coin for these strategies. I'll click on confirm. Then I will try to come to this indirect indicator. That is because it will trade for me according to the direction of the market. Then I'll change this one to UTR. Then I'll use my normal leverage, which is a 10x leverage. Then I will use my strategy 15 minutes. All right, which is okay. Then I will use immediately to change it to UTR. I'll click on save. Then I'll try to use like 1%, all right, or 3% of my capitals. I use 3% only on this account, just 3%. Yeah, I use 3%. That's okay. Then I'll now come to this area. All right, cycle power. So I will now try to come to running here. All right, so I'll try to come to this. I'll change it to 3 count, only 3 counts. I will change it to 3 counts, cycle by count. Let me put it 3 times only. I will now come to this area, customize. You see I've already leave it like that. So I will now come to save. I will now come to this target profits. Target profit, I can say, let's say I want to make around $30 amount. Let me just, I want to make like $30 profit on this trade. Then my risks should be around, I'm risking just $15 on this trade, just $15. So you can see I've already set up everything. So I'm targeting $30. I'm risking just $50. Sorry, I'm risking just $15. Then so that's how I'm normally set my stop loss and everything. So then the bot will pick the trade for me one by one. So you can see, let me just go to this area. So let me just click on this launch. Simple. It's an automatic. Then you have to just wait for it. Can you see? You can see my current account here is as already getting $4 profits. You can see, and I didn't pass more than 10x leverage. So this is the strategy. You can keep doing it, try it. I'll just give it for free, and you can see all our total PNL so far. So the strategy can work for you as well. Just try it and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more updates on crypto UTrading AI strategies on this. So thank you for watching. Try to like and share. Bye for now, guys.